thing that I can just shake the tree.
Christian LeBlanc, keep your heart out. Okay.
Yesterday I lost the battle.
In this video, Jasmine and I are at Centre Parcs. We had an amazing week away and we decided to try and fly a drone in this video. And you'll get to see, was it a success or not?
It's true, I've known from the start, your state of the art, from your vintage shoes to your cool tattoos. But you're still yearning for something. You're still burning in one.
Well, it's late afternoon, as you can tell by the daylight, and this is the first time, well, not really the first time. So some of you might remember a while back when I went to Bosnia and Herzegovina, and with the expert tuition of my lovely friend David, who lives out there with his lovely wife, the plan was to go to Bosnia to learn to fly a drone, and it was fairly successful. Have a little look at this. And then see what happened afterwards in Centre Parcs without David's expert help. But we're going to have a go at flying the drone, put it that way. It's not the first time, it's the first time with this drone, and Jasmine thankfully is here to help me. She's really good at this technical stuff. So we just had a little go indoors, and it kind of like, crashed into my foot, and it was quite funny. And she came back in the room, she's like, I can leave you for 5 minutes, and it was quite funny. I do laugh, but we've just got a little tiny bit of outside area here, which you've seen with the squirrels and stuff. We're going to have a go of, very nervously because of obviously the trees and stuff. But let's see what happens. Well done, Jazz. So we've just come in to try and have a little look at it, and Jasmine is so good at this stuff. So she's sitting there trying to figure out how we get the footage onto the. Have we done it? Actual live. Here we go. Get in there, look. Christian LeBlanc, keep your heart out. Okay, so I just wanted to show you this. Beautiful sky. Hopefully you can see how pretty that looks. And let's just listen a minute. I should get my microphone because I keep forgetting that sound doesn't always work, but listen. The birds are starting to sing. It's gorgeous. So out here's where we've got all the squirrel stuff, and that's next door's sauna. We haven't got a sauna this time, but yeah, so we just got that little area there that we've tried to fly the drone in, and I think it was quite successful, thanks to Jasmine. So you got the footage, yeah? You converted it? Mm-hmm. Oh, well done you. So really pretty evening. So what we're thinking about doing is maybe to get some dinner in a little bit. What was really small. We're going to have cottage pie tonight. Shepherd's pie, actually. Yeah, that looks good. And we're going to go swimming. So that'll be fun. And when I get back, I'm going to have a jacuzzi bath. Because my skin got really sore with all the chlorine and stuff the other day. So
You should have bought that oil bath stuff.
that E45 one. Yeah. Anyway, let's have a look at this footage. It looks lovely at the back. Let me just show them that. Look how gorgeous that is. Beautiful. So, yeah, so we're going to go swimming, but we're going to go there on the way there.
Look at my heart, it's out of
The winter forest lights are started very early in the year at Centre Parcs, and the idea is you get to see the beauty of the darkness that we experience in the winter in the Northern Hemisphere. It was absolutely beautiful.
But you're still yearning for something. You're still burning and wanting out of the fray and into the day of eternity. Only you and me. We both walked away from nothing to say. Where all hope's been used. Nobody sees the truth. Of course we're yearning for something. Yeah, we're still burning and wanting. When this battle is over, and we're not very much older, but jaded indeed. We've got skeleton keys. When the darkness is over, and your heart's getting closer, closer to me, will you start to believe? Will you start to believe that it's real? Don't have to try to get by. You're already free. Yeah, you're just like me. We're making our way through heartache and pain to serenity, or surrendering indeed. But you're still yearning for something. Yeah, you're still burning and wanting. When this battle is over, and we're not very much older, but jaded indeed. We've got skeleton keys. When the darkness is over, and your heart's getting closer, closer to me, will you start to believe? Will you start to believe that it's real? believe? Will you start to believe that it's real?
We were absolutely thrilled to see the muntjac deer in our garden as we were staying at Centre Parks, and of course there was a pheasant and there was squirrels too. It was wonderful. Tree. Thankfully Jasmine got it out and it's still in one piece.
You make that sound like I had some really technical thing that I could just shook the tree.
But we've got like, I think it was £60 I paid for this one because I didn't want to go get like some big DJI, because I thought if I break something that's like £1,000 and I don't know how to use it. So it looks like it's from Toy Town, but honestly it's a proper drone. And well, this was the footage that we got. Have a little look.